Hi guys, Fatal here. Welcome to my channel. So on today's vlog, we're doing some bits of cooking. Yeah, so let me show you how to brine your pork. Yeah, the basic way, just water, salt. Yeah, and so let's get started. So it's the Kenyeji way. Yeah, you can do this on your ribs, pork, or whichever type of meat you have. Other times depends with how you like your flavor, because majority gonna do wine, apples, brines, and also the ginger, garlic, and pepper, all those. That was it for today. Thanks so much for watching Tanu's Mini Kitchen Recipes. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye.